a new hairstyle. Have you noticed?
Where?
Here. That.
My God!
Take it all in.
It's so 80s!
Amazing.
It's incredible!
I know.
I remember Nick Kershaw had one of those.
In fact, it's based on his actual hairstyle. I went to his hairdresser.
Wow, well that's incredible. I won't let the sun go down on me, he said. But, well, I bet he never thought his hairstyle was going to be there.
Exactly.
I mean, there's some lyrics, but, well, there you go.
Fantastic.
Well, that's a secret and half, that is.
I was thinking of getting a flock of seagulls one this side. Yeah, like full-back flick. Yeah, so when
So
you do...
flinch.
Yeah, so when I do...
Flinch.
Yeah, when I do this. It will be fantastic.
Now you've blown everybody's minds.
I know.
You will. People will die in the streets.
I think-
They've got to understand, the world's not ready for it.
But once I launch my fantastic hair sculpting challenge of the 90s, 80s even, when I launch that, it'll be fantastic. Everyone will want them. I'll be a trendsetter.
I'll stick to my own, actually. I bet I might have that one.
The money.
Oh, I can't decide now. Mullet Flock of Seagulls.
Mullet seagulls. Mullet seagulls.